With only 30 days left until Ramadan, today's discussion will focus on essential preparations for this sacred month. We will delve into a comprehensive 5-point preparation list, with the 5th point being the most crucial for any sincere seeker. Understanding that knowing an author involves reading their books. Similarly, comprehending Allah requires understanding the Quran. It is highly recommended to read the Quran in your native language to grasp the profound messages it conveys. This practice not only enhances your Iman, but also has the potential to transform your life. To demonstrate your commitment to Allah, consider sacrificing certain habits for His sake. This may involve giving up on activities such as listening to music or wearing nail polish. Embracing the hijab is also suggested as a way of expressing devotion. Additionally, forgiveness is emphasized. Strive to forgive others and maintain your prayers regularly. If you are not accustomed to performing the obligatory prayers, start with one and gradually incorporate all 5 before Ramadan commences. A pivotal aspect of Ramadan preparation is transforming the heart. Seek forgiveness from Allah for past mistakes, bad deeds, hypocrisy, and jealousy. Allah holds a special place in His heart for those who repent sincerely. Furthermore, delve into the life of Prophet Muhammad and his companions during Ramadan. Learn from their practices of worship and fasting, aiming to implement these in your own life. Acquiring knowledge about their devotion can significantly enrich your own Ramadan experience. In conclusion, remember that the essence of Ramadan preparation lies in the readiness of the heart. As you embark on this spiritual journey, may it bring joy to your life, alleviate your pains, and ease your sufferings. Share your thoughts on your Ramadan preparations in the comments, and thank you for watching this video.